Okay, here we have a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. Very clean. This comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. It's got a black exterior, knobby tires, stock tires and rims, but really good shape. Has some tint already. This is a 4-door soft top. Right and ready, time for summer. This does have the tow hooks down there if you ever get stuck. Plenty of storage. And the interior is a gray cloth. Good shape. Does have Bluetooth. Soft top. Sound bar.